When you stick a key in a lock and turn it, the door opens. Simple. And so it is with life if we understand the tools. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm sharing with you for free what life tools are, who already has them, and that shows us why they're so important for you and your family to understand. When we learn to use and master them, then our life becomes easier. The group of short videos can get you started on a new journey in life. Less than 1% of the population use these life tools. Those that do are the most wealthy, powerful people in the world. Imagine what those tools can do for you. The fence that divides 99% of people from the other 1% is something called life tools. They have them and use them, while the majority of people aren't aware that these tools exist, even though they're right in front of every human being to take and use. For example, there's no need to get all twisted up or stressed about life anymore. Having a bad day can be something of the past. Making good decisions becomes easier, happiness becomes normal, and is no longer a vague concept. For each life tool, there's a separate short video to make it easier for viewers to pick and choose what they want to view and review. The tools themselves are definitions of key aspects of life, and these definitions open the door to a new way to understand life, and from that perspective, create a better, happier, stress-free life. There's an easy way for you and your family to succeed, and it starts with understanding life in a way that sets you free. We offer these life tools all for free as a way to help people to create a life they love, free from the agendas of business, government, religion, and others that have controlled the masses for years, for centuries. It's your turn to succeed. Take a look at these short videos and put them to use in your life so that you and your family can have an entirely different journey. When you're ready, join our Facebook group for more practice and conversations and be able to put these life tools to work in the best way possible.